Hi and welcome back to Shaya's Kitchen. This video is about our trip to IKEA located in Cheras, Malaysia. This is part 2 of our shopping haul. In case you have not visited our IKEA part 1 home tour, please check the I link and I have also given the link in the description box. Check it out, it will be very interesting. IKEA is a one-stop shop for all your designing of your home. In case you are planning to have a new home or renovating your existing one, this is the best place. You will get so much of ideas to design your living room, kitchen primarily, your dining space, office space, and even a garden. So in case in your city you have an IKEA, please go and visit it without fail. This is about the setup of your living space. If you could see, there had been so much of creativity in it so far. So even the backdrops, how you can arrange and design your living space, it was all really good. And this section is primarily about your dining space. Different types of coffee tables, the center tables which we use in the room, in the hall, and even in the garden. So much of different kind of varieties you could choose from. Also, there had been wide range of cabinets which you can choose it from. That primarily fits in your office space, your bedrooms or living rooms. Different type of colors, and you can also choose a complete set or even an individual cabinets as well. This section is a toy section primarily for our kids. They have an amazing collection of wooden toys. So in case you are looking for wooden toys for your kids, please visit this place. They have a good collection and I can see many varieties in the same. Also, they had a good collection of this miniature cooking places like cup and sauces, their cookie cutters, everything. So if your kid is looking in for it, please check out. Also, they had wonderful light collections, like multiple type of chandeliers which can be used in the living room, theme based office space, or even a bedroom, or even your dining hall. So different kind of your lightning arrangement. So check all these items. These are really good, and they have an unique one you might not find out in multiple other shops. Also, they have a good collection of your bathroom accessories, different type of hand showers, even the curtains, and the hooks and other things that are primarily used for our new home. A beautiful hanger which can be used primarily for arranging our shawls or even ties. I have got it and I have shown you in the last video. Also, they had a good collection of soft toys. We could see different varieties of dogs, even blue whale, all the big ones, the snake, the hanging monkey, and other things. And the range was also very reasonable. This section had wide range of candles, different types, shapes, and multiple flavored candles which we use normally in parties, the Christmas seasons, and even in your dining room or in your living room. And I'm sure you guys will absolutely love it. Finally, I was able to find out the one which I was looking for a longer time. This will normally use during our Eid celebrations time, with a candle inside. It's like a candle holder, but which will really look very nice. It had different colors and shapes as well. And this is a place for your gardening needs. We were able to see from the small pots to the bigger ones, artificial ones to the natural ones. And also they had different types of pots, and also the gardening related tools and other kind. And the last section near your billing counter is the furniture section. So here is a place where you can check out all your shoe racks or dining tables and all your furnitures. Get it from here and check out. So if you see, it's like a warehouse. You have a complete set with a different different kind and varieties of all your furnitures. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. In case you are seeing Shaya's Kitchen for first time, please don't forget to subscribe and also click the bell icon there and select the all option. That's when you will be able to receive all the notification from me when I upload a new video. I've just shown a few items which I purchased in this IKEA trip. In case you feel this video is very useful, please don't forget to share this video with your friends and families. Also, just give your thumbs up and share your comments as well. Thank you for watching.